house.
You really want to do this?
Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
Hey, oh, dummy!
Where the fuck you been?
beg you.
Shut your yap and look smart. We got company. Now, what were you saying?
What's your step, Danny?
This is my joint, Al. On the north side of town. Unless you want to taste what's in that suitcase there. I watch my own step, I was you.
Come on.
Jesus! That was beautiful. I don't know who you are, mister, but you just made a pal.
I'm George Mueller with the Faraday Electric Iron Company.
Dino Banyan. Hey, you married?
I am.
Yeah. How about this? I'm gonna make you a swell bouquet to take home to Mrs. Mueller. Huh?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Oh, you're a good man, Mueller. You got a nice poker face.